Just a suitcase full of dreams and a ticket in hand. The tracks hum a tune like a whispering friend, chasing down the road where the rails never end. Oh, midnight train, take me far and wide, through the mountains and valleys where secrets hide. With every click and clack, I'll leave it all behind, on this journey of heart, soul, and open mind. The stars light the way as the engine roars, past sleepy towns and forgotten doors. The rhythm of the wheels sings a steady beat, a symphony of motion beneath my own. Oh, midnight train, take me far and wide, through the mountains and valleys where secrets hide. With every click and clack, I'll leave it all behind, on this journey of heart, soul, and open mind. In the distance I see the horizon glow, a promise of a place I've yet to know. Rolling through the night, no need for a plan, just a suitcase full of dreams and a ticket in hand. The tracks hum a tune like a whispering friend, chasing down the road where the rails never end. Oh, midnight train, take me far and wide, through the mountains and valleys where secrets hide. With every click and clack, I'll leave it all behind, on this journey of heart, soul, and open mind. In the distance I see the horizon glow, the stars light the way as the engine roars, past sleepy towns and forgotten doors. The rhythm of the wheels sings a steady beat, a symphony of motion beneath my own. Oh, midnight train, take me far and wide, through the mountains and valleys where secrets hide. With every click and clack, I'll leave it all behind, on this journey